How to buy EA token. So before we start, so this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your research. And also there is a referral code down description. You can get free money, rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply just goes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them on description. So before going on buy this token, make sure to check the Rex account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. Now to be able to buy this token, but before that, as you can see, this token is turned in number 4 on the screen right now. But to be able to buy this token, it is simple. Copy the token address from here, and remember this token address is under the Solana network. Now open a function wallet for that, and now as you can see, click on swap. Make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet first. Now click here and paste the token address. So this is our token. Click on it. So here type how much you want to buy, and as you can see, this is how much you receive that token. Select the provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here and click on swap, and you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. But if you face any issue, go back to this page and choose the slippage from here or custom it, because the most of issues came from the slippage, and after that you can be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy a year token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.